Welcome to Daily AI Brief, where we decode the latest advancements in artificial intelligence and explore how they're shaping the tech landscape. Today, we'll dive into groundbreaking tools, fresh funding ventures, and new strategies that are redefining AI applications in various domains. Anthropic has launched Claude Design, a tool crafted for creating visual prototypes and presentations with ease. Targeting non designers like founders and product managers, this conversational AI tool simplifies creating polished designs, one pagers, and slides by simply describing what you need. Users guide the AI through conversations to refine their initial work. Here's how Claude Design works under the hood. Conversational inputs. The tool starts generating initial designs based on the user's description of needs. Leveraging natural language processing, the AI interprets inputs to visualize requests, making complex design tools accessible to those without technical expertise. Users can describe specific elements like colors, layout, or themes, and the AI crafts a foundational design ready for further refinement. Refinement options. Once the initial draft is ready, users can make adjustments via inline comments and direct edits. Custom sliders allow for tweaking various design elements such as contrast, saturation, or layout precision, making it simpler to perfect the output without needing deep design skills. System integration. One standout feature is its ability to integrate with a team's design systems. By analyzing the company's codebase and existing design files, Claude Design ensures that new creations are consistent with the brand's visual identity. This process facilitates adherence to brand guidelines that are often crucial in marketing and branding strategies. Multiple export formats. Users can export their creations in formats like PDF or PPTX. Additionally, direct integration with Canva provides further editing capabilities, supporting seamless transitions into collaborative workflows. This flexibility ensures that the designs can be shared effortlessly across different platforms and stakeholders, enhancing the efficiency of project workflows. In terms of performance metrics, although Anthropic has not yet provided detailed statistics or metrics on time savings, the tool leverages the Claude Opus 4.7 model, promising to accelerate the design process by turning concepts into viable prototypes much faster than traditional methods. However, Claude Design is not without its limitations. Currently available in research preview, its effectiveness in full-scale production environments remains to be fully tested. Integration into existing workflows could pose challenges, especially for teams already familiar with other established tools. Moreover, the AI's success heavily depends on the clarity of user prompts. Ambiguous instructions may result in suboptimal design outputs. Facing industry giants like Canva and Figma, the competitive landscape for Claude Design remains uncertain. Its positioning will depend on user adoption rates and how well it complements or challenges existing tools in the market. For those eligible, exploring Claude Design this week means accessing it through Claude Pro subscriptions, experimenting by generating diverse visual formats through various design prompts. Test exporting your creations to Canva to evaluate its collaboration benefits. Ultimately, Claude Design aims to be a game changer for non-design experts by making sophisticated visual work accessible, significantly enhancing the collaborative potential of design processes. In a bold move, DeepSeek is embarking on its first round of external funding, targeting $300 million at a valuation of $10 billion. Backed by high-flyer capital, this Chinese AI lab is seeking additional capital due to escalating operational costs and intense competition from tech giants like Alibaba and ByteDance. Historically, DeepSeek maintained a self-sustained financial model, declining numerous offers from elite venture capital firms, which highlights its prior commitment to independence. However, the landscape has shifted significantly, prompting this reconsideration. Let's delve into the technicalities of their funding approach. Funding structure and core drivers. AI Model R1. Central to its funding strategy is the AI Model R1, renowned for its innovative capabilities, which have attracted considerable market interest. Though detailed performance metrics remain undisclosed, the investments bank heavily on its potential for disruption and innovation in the AI sector. Operational cost management. With rising operational costs, these funds aim to bolster development frameworks, optimize efficiencies, and ensure that DeepSeek can keep pace with its financial and technical demands. Competitive landscape. Surrounded by industry titans, DeepSeek's focus is on scaling its AI capabilities to deliver cutting-edge solutions and maintain relevance in a highly competitive environment. Despite these ambitious plans, the journey is not without its trade-offs and limitations. Dependency on external capital. This shift to external investment introduces new dynamics and pressures, potentially affecting decision-making processes and operational freedom. Talent and competitive edge. Funds may alleviate immediate operational strains, but long-term success hinges on talent retention and the integration of advancements into current workflows. Competing with established firms like Alibaba and ByteDance requires not merely matching capabilities, but surpassing them in innovation and speed. Market risks. Aligning strategies to withstand fluctuating market demands is crucial, as the tech landscape can evolve rapidly, necessitating agility. Practical steps and industry implications. For those observing the sector, it's essential to monitor the progress of DeepSeek's funding announcements to understand potential valuation changes. Additionally, examining reports and studies related to the AI model R1 could offer insights into its capabilities and transformative potential. The implications of this funding round extend beyond DeepSeek, potentially altering the competitive dynamics of the AI industry. Should DeepSeek succeed in securing its target amount, it could spur an innovation race, compelling rivals to accelerate their R&D efforts and prompting further investments from traditional tech investors. Ultimately, if DeepSeek can leverage this influx of capital to enhance its offerings effectively, it not only stands to solidify its position in the market, but could also drive significant advancements across the AI landscape, fostering a wave of innovation that ripples through the entire ecosystem. Google has unveiled Auto-Diagnose, an LLM-based tool designed to automate the diagnosis of integration test failures. This innovation targets the often bottlenecked debugging processes within software development, offering a streamlined approach to identifying and summarizing errors in failure logs. At the core of its functionality is the use of large language models, LLMs, capable of processing complex failure logs. By extracting crucial information, Auto-Diagnose efficiently generates concise error summaries, significantly speeding up the traditionally slow debugging process. This is particularly impactful in environments where time is a critical factor, potentially reducing development cycle times and enhancing overall developer productivity. Integration with Google's Critique. The tool is seamlessly integrated into Google's internal code review system, Critique. This integration provides contextual assistance that bolsters workflow continuity and efficiency, allowing developers to address and fix issues more precisely and quicker. Auto-Diagnose further enhances its capabilities by learning from a substantial array of historical test failure data. This data-driven approach enables the tool to continuously refine and improve its diagnostic accuracy over time. It achieved a notable 90.14% accuracy rate in diagnosing root causes from 71 real-world test failure cases. Among the 52,635 tests analyzed, the tool was only deemed not helpful in 5.8% of cases, positioning it as the 14th most effective out of 370 tools within the Critique system. However, like any sophisticated tool, Auto-Diagnose does face certain challenges. Its performance is inherently linked to the quality and structure of the logs it analyzes. Poor log quality can hinder its accuracy. Additionally, integration into diverse workflows outside Google's ecosystem might present unforeseen difficulties. Users in different organizational contexts may need to adapt the tool to fit their unique environments, highlighting potential generalization limitations. For those looking to explore its capabilities, Google offers a chance to experience Auto-Diagnose through its Critique system. Additionally, interested individuals can delve deeper by studying related papers presented at the ICSE 2026 conference. In essence, Auto-Diagnose signifies a critical advancement in AI-augmented error diagnosing. By cutting through the complexities of integration test failures, it promises significant efficiency gains in software development cycles, paving the way for faster and more reliable software solutions. Nvidia recently launched NemoClaw to enhance the OpenClaw toolkit. promising significant advancements in security and privacy for always-on AI agents. This open-source stack distinguishes itself by ensuring that sensitive data remains securely on local hardware, effectively mitigating risks inherent in cloud storage and addressing growing security concerns. Technical enhancements. NemoClaw integrates seamlessly with OpenClaw, bringing a host of new features designed to promote secure and efficient AI deployments. OpenShell Runtime, an integral component, this feature offers secure sandbox environments, ensuring that AI agents operate within defined security perimeters. This setup employs policy-based privacy controls to manage data interaction and prevent unauthorized access or leaks effectively. Local AI deployment. By enabling operations to run on local devices, NemoClaw maintains data privacy. This not only addresses potential vulnerabilities tied to cloud processing, but also enhances performance by reducing latency often caused by cloud interactions. Nemotron models. These high-performance models are specifically tuned for AI task management, leveraging Nvidia's deep learning advancements to improve operational efficiency and output accuracy. Practical benefits and unaddressed needs. Deploying AI agents locally with NemoClaw can lead to potential latency reductions and cost savings by avoiding fees associated with cloud services. However, exact performance metrics or cost comparisons are yet to be detailed. Community support and verifying the system's capabilities against emerging threats will be critical to its success. Developer and community engagement. Developers have multiple avenues to engage with NemoClaw. Nvidia offers comprehensive setup documentation accessible via their website, facilitating an easy start for those looking to experiment with the platform. Furthermore, the open-source repository invites contributions, allowing developers to tailor enhancements and adapt security features to specific enterprise needs. Future implications and challenges. As a privacy-centric solution, NemoClaw could redefine industry standards for local AI deployments. If its security measures prove resilient against sophisticated attacks like prompt injections, it could enhance trust in autonomous AI systems within enterprises. However, concerns about the runtime's ability to handle real-world vulnerabilities remain, as does skepticism about its scalability for extensive operations. Conclusion. NemoClaw represents Nvidia's strategic move to address high-priority security concerns linked to AI deployments. While it holds the potential to influence future AI security protocols significantly, ongoing assessments and community feedback will determine its long-term impact and adoption within the AI and enterprise landscapes. Nvidia has introduced transformative optimizations within its Dynamo framework, targeting enhanced performance for agentic inference, a critical function in AI's operational expanse. Dynamo is positioned to revolutionize AI efficiency by implementing a tripartite optimization strategy: KV-aware placement, priority scheduling, and agentic workload routing. Each element addresses specific operational bottlenecks, significantly improving AI's capacity to process information effectively. The framework's KV-aware placement maintains a global index of key-value cache blocks distributed across processing workers. This strategic distribution minimizes cache misses, which traditionally lead to inefficient full prefix recomputation. By streamlining data access, this feature significantly boosts computational efficiency. For developers and AI systems architects, understanding how to dynamically manage cache placement can drastically reduce latency, a crucial factor in real-time AI applications and big data processing. Priority scheduling is another key feature, where task processing is meticulously reconfigured using a priority parameter. By understanding the latency sensitivity of various AI tasks, Dynamo arranges these operations to favor those requiring immediate attention, thus optimizing the flow and responsiveness of data processing. Such a system is particularly beneficial for applications where prompt decision-making is critical, such as autonomous vehicles or high-frequency trading. Agentic workload routing is equally pivotal, allowing custom strategies for routing distinct AI tasks. This flexibility enables applications to be tailored specifically to the needs of individual projects or operational mandates, ensuring optimal resource allocation and performance. Nvidia's performance claims with Dynamo are ambitious, suggesting up to a 7x improvement in inference operations when utilizing their Blackwell GPUs. These enhancements not only promise to lower latency, but also to optimize resource utilization, which can allow enterprises to increase their capacity to handle concurrent tasks without additional hardware investment. Such metrics, if validated through independent benchmarks, could redefine how AI systems are deployed across various industries. However, the integration of these optimizations does not come without its challenges. Ensuring compatibility with a diverse range of existing AI infrastructures is crucial. There may be initial difficulties in incorporating Dynamo's features with legacy systems, particularly those developed using distinct architectural principles. Additionally, although the projected gains are substantial, the long-term sustainability of these performance improvements remains to be validated, especially in production environments. To harness Dynamo's capabilities, Nvidia offers comprehensive getting started guides focusing on practical implementation of KV-aware placement and priority scheduling within existing models. Developers are encouraged to dive into the technical specifics to tailor these optimizations to their unique infrastructure needs. In conclusion, the suite of enhancements offered by NVIDIA Dynamo is poised to set new benchmarks in AI application efficiency. By refining caching and scheduling mechanisms, Dynamo not only promises higher productivity, but is also positioned to influence broad-scale AI adoption by improving accessibility and reducing operational costs for enterprises of all sizes. This innovation could indeed assert NVIDIA's leadership in the AI inference landscape, contingent on these promised efficiencies being realized and validated through widespread industry adoption. That's it for today's episode of Daily AI Brief. From revolutionary design tools to major advancements in AI diagnostics and security, these innovations signal exciting times ahead for developers and businesses alike. Keep exploring, innovating, and staying tuned for more breakthroughs.